Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. Thanks for tuning in. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the WebStarts affiliate program. The WebStarts affiliate program is the perfect way to earn income promoting something that people already want and need, that being an easy way to create a website, online store, or blog. To get started with the WebStarts affiliate program, go to affiliate.webstarts.com and click the Sign Up Now button. It's free to sign up, so you have nothing to lose. Once you've signed up and filled out this form, go ahead and click Affiliate Login and enter your username and password, and then click Login. This will put you in what's called the Affiliate Center. In the Affiliate Center, you'll find things that can help you be a more successful affiliate and earn extra income. The most important thing that you need to know about the WebStarts Affiliate Center is it's the place that you can find your unique WebStarts affiliate link. You can copy it to your clipboard by clicking Copy to Clipboard, and then you can paste it in things like emails that you send to the people who you wish to refer to WebStarts. You can put it on your social media posts, places like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, that kind of thing, and wherever you want to promote WebStarts online. Just be sure to include your unique affiliate link to ensure that you get credit for everyone who you refer. The next thing I'd like to draw your attention to is the Share Your Link button. By clicking on the Share Your Link button, you'll be able to choose from a couple of different options. The first one is to send an email to your friends. If you select that option, just enter the email addresses where you would like to send the email to into the To field, and then in the body section you can customize this message to say whatever you would like. Just make sure that once again you include your unique affiliate URL to ensure that you get credit for anybody who signs up from the email that you sent to them. When you're ready, click Send Message, and then that message will be sent to the people who you wish to refer. If you click on the Share Your Link button and you choose Post to Facebook Wall and click Continue, similarly you'll have a message that's pre-written that is entirely editable, so you can make that say whatever you want. Once again here, just make sure that you include your unique affiliate link before posting that message on Facebook or Twitter or wherever you want to post it. Below that, you'll find a section that says Commissions. This is simply how much money you've earned, how much you need to earn to get to your next payout, your total lifetime commission. You can find that information here. Under the traffic section, you can see how many free accounts and how much total traffic you've referred to WebStarts. And then under the sales report section, you can see how many of those free signups converted into sales. You can look by week, month, year, or a specific date range, or just look for the specific day. Next, under the Settings tab, you'll find important information like your username, your password, your first name, your tax ID, your website information, your physical address, and of course the email address that you'll use with PayPal in order to receive your payouts once you've earned some commission. Under the Training tab, you'll find various training resources. For example, here we have a pre-written email. Of course, you can write whatever email you want. Just be sure, once again, include your unique affiliate link. That is the most important thing that you need to remember with the WebStarts affiliate program, is to include that link to ensure that you get credit for the people you refer to WebStarts. Next, we have some ideas about how you can post your affiliate link to various forums and blogs. So if you know places where people are looking for advice on how to create a website or online store, you can make posts there with your unique affiliate link, and of course you'll get credit if those people come back to WebStarts and sign up. Here again, we just have a little bit about referring people from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social networks. And then, of course, you can build a free website using WebStarts that does nothing but talk about the virtues of signing up with WebStarts, and then use your unique affiliate link to get credit for anybody who signs up. You can also include your link on things like business cards. If you're going out and about, you have a lot of people ask you for an easy way to create a website or online store. You can give them a business card that you had your unique affiliate link printed on and hand that out. And of course, you can take out advertisements on places like Google and Yahoo and Bing if you wish, and we provide you with a long list of keywords and keyword phrases that people are likely to use when searching for products like WebStarts online. And then down at the bottom, we give you a little bit of a projection about how much money you will potentially earn depending on how many people you refer to WebStarts and the conversion rate at which they sign up. You can see here, if you got 1,000 people to sign up a day and converted at 5%, you could make $18,750 per month. Under the Tools tab, you'll find things like some pre-written advertisements along with the links to those. So if you have ads that you take out on various platforms, you can use these creatives. We also have an email creative here that you can copy and paste to your clipboard. And then we have banners, so you can download, for example, a wide banner, different formats for our display ads. Down here we have banners. That just means these are display ads you can use on places like Google and Yahoo and Bing network. And then we give you access to some source logos. We have some minimalistic ones that use the on a light background, ones to use on a dark background, and then of course we provide you with the colors that we use for various things, and you can copy those color codes to your clipboard. And then at the bottom here we have the WebStarts logo font that we provide for you. So hopefully you'll find all of those tools under the tools section to be very helpful when promoting WebStarts. Under FAQs, you can find answers to questions like how much you get paid for each sale and when you'll get paid. And then finally, under contacts, there's a form where you can contact us if you have any other questions. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I do want to recommend that you subscribe and enable notifications on our YouTube channel, which is probably where you're watching this, so be sure to do that now. It will give you tons of great ideas on how you can promote WebStarts online. Thanks for watching.